One of the best ways to save costs on anything, whether it be furniture or publishing or who knows what, is to do it yourself. But if you are going to do something with your books and your marketing yourself, it's going to cost more time. And that is kind of the trade off. If you do something with professionals, you can get it quicker, but it does cost more money. If it's do it yourself, trying to do it yourself and speedily is just a recipe for disaster because you need to do the research and you need to spend the time painstakingly going through your manuscript, and you need to take the energy in order to understand that what you are doing is not going to be this one and done 1 hour process. It takes a lot of time. This is one of the reasons why I pay professionals to do a lot of my publishing and business work, because I know I'm not just paying them for the time that they spend on my particular project. I'm paying them for the hundreds or thousands of hours they've spent learning the craft. So I think going DIY in the beginning of your career absolutely makes sense. You just need to be willing to spend the time to get pretty good at these sorts of things. Some people say it takes 20 hours to at least have basic understanding of something. Take the 20 hours to get really good at DIY or hire the pros.